Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Poolin, one of the most trusted names in the crypto mining industry. In this video, we'll explore Poolin's core features, how it operates, and why it's a go-to choice for miners worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned miner, this guide will help you understand how to optimize your earnings with Poolin. Starting with Poolin's dashboard, it provides users with a clean and intuitive interface to monitor their mining performance. You can easily check your real-time hash rate, payout records, and device management options. Poolin supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, making it a versatile platform for diversifying your mining portfolio. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of Poolin's standout features is its PPS Plus payout method, which ensures consistent payouts regardless of network fluctuations. It also provides detailed statistics, enabling miners to analyze their performance over different periods. The fee structure is competitive, with transparent rates that align with industry standards. For those looking to boost efficiency, Poolin offers advanced mining tools and apps, such as a hash rate calculator, which allows you to estimate potential earnings based on the current network difficulty and market prices. The Poolin mobile app extends this functionality, allowing you to stay updated even when you're on the go. Poolin also places a strong emphasis on security, utilizing advanced measures to protect your account and funds. Two-factor authentication and wallet address locking provide additional layers of protection for users. If you're concerned about energy efficiency, Poolin offers insights into optimizing your devices for maximum profitability while reducing energy costs. You can connect multiple devices seamlessly, and the platform is compatible with popular mining hardware like ASICs and GPUs. Remember, mining is not just about hardware, but also about selecting the right pool, and Poolin offers an ideal combination of reliability, security, and profitability. Don't forget to explore their blog and community forums for additional tips and updates. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Give this video a like to support our content and help others discover the best tools for crypto mining.